It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I said I'd show you anything different that's been done in this front garden, and Lurch has moved some stones and a lot of soil and put boards there where I want a bed. He's done the heavy manual work. Now it's my turn to do it, to finish it off and make it into a bed. And it's about 4 foot wide by 160 inches. I haven't yet worked that out into feet. I'll put it at the bottom when I do. And so this I'm actually going to be doing no dig style and put compost on and grow some crops for autumn. We've still got a load more to sort out. Most of the weeds, these long weeds, grasses that came out of the front garden where Lurch has made that bed, and they've gone in with the chickens and they're really enjoying scratching around inside them. But I came up with an idea. I'm going to dry some of them out and bag it up, then I'll have hay for the chicken run in winter. Hello, I'm not sure how much footage I've got of doing this apart from the start, but now you can see I've now got sweet plants in there. Oh yes, and meat netting frame is blown down. Gonna have to see and sort that. But I've got swedes in there under netting that keeps falling down. I have, sorry about that. This is where I have to put up with things that they call music. That is 2 rows of beetroot, multi-sown beetroot. No, sorry, it's 3 rows that I've just put in. Behind that is 3 rows of multi-sown leeks, which I put in the other day. This middle bit is partially done, mainly done. There's just the bit there isn't yet. But I'm going round to it. I planted some marigolds along here. This compost that's on top of the cardboard is what my basil potatoes grew in. So it's having a second life. And there's a few marigolds down this side. My strawberries that have now more or less finished, I've got 3 plants and 2 troughs. So I've just put 1 trough there because it's sending out loads of these runners and they will root into the ground, and I'll have loads of new strawberry plants. The rest is still looking bad, but we've got this first bit sorted. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.